A very warm welcome to you. Thank you for joining us again. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use branch.io for beginners. With branch.io, you are able to have flawless mobile linking and attribution. And with this, you're able to link different things to your app, and you're able to also access the data, everything, every analytic that may be concerning your apps. So basically, branch.io is your unified solution that helps you to just have a seamless link. So to get to branch.io, you simply type branch.io, and I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. Then you click on sign up on the top right corner here, and then you can have the trial version for 30 days. You fill in all these details, your name, email, and all these other details, and then you click on create account. And of course, you notice here, you have this one to use only for 30 days. So this is the homepage for branch.io. Now on the left hand side here, this is where you now have your app. You notice this is a named app. You can click on that and give the name of your app, whatever app it is, but you can also click on create new app. Then you can give the app name here. Maybe the app, we are going to call it JOS Security. And then we click on create. Then you can set your dashboard time zone for consistent reporting, no matter where you are. So I want it to remain there, GMT, and then click on create. And now we are able to create a new app here. So you now notice here, we have our JOS Security app. Here we have the details about the app. So we have here the branch key. You can show that here. If you want to see it, you can show that. And then we have the branch secret, that is the reset secret, and this is the reset key. And then the app name is down here. You can scroll down and click save settings to save the changes that you make. And then we have the app ID and the time zone here. So if we have made any changes, we would click on save. So if we come to the user, you notice this way you get the users. We can view the billing here. You notice currently we need to upgrade to enterprise. And then we can view the usage for our app here. And then next we can view the team for the next tab here. And then we can view the agencies here. So that's how you add your app to your branch.io. So for instance, if I click on team, you notice there's only one team member in this app. To add a member, you click on add app team member on the top right corner here. If you click on that, you are able to type the email of the member that you want to add here. So if you just type the email there, you can now click on search so that you're able to search the user if you put a valid email here. Then if you click on search, you get the person and then you click on add. So if now I come to the next thing here for ads, that is for channel and links, I can look at the ads, and with the ads, you can enjoy duplicated cross-channel campaign data from all attribution methods within a single view. So you can simply view previous activity page and select event level from the above tab. And so you notice currently here we have no analytics found. We can just adjust the date range, changing and filters. So for instance here, you notice we don't have any ad partner, we don't have any ad campaign. So we can change all this. So next you can also view partner management here. So for partner management, you click on add partner to get linked. For instance, we have these disabled partners, we have 19 Mobi, we have Plus Ads, we have digital, whatever it is. So we are going to select one of these. For instance, let's select 19 Mobi. So you notice now we can save and enable that to be a partner identifier. Then we can create an add link for that. Then down here, we can also add custom partner. So by adding a custom partner here, we are just able to add the partner that we want. So we want to add a partner name here and call this partner Titos. And then we can save and enable. So you notice now we have a partner called Titos, and this is custom. and then we can now customize this further. So we click on that, custom, and then we can now change the settings on this right-hand side. You notice we can have the post-back configuration, attribution windows, and post-back testing. So I can delete the partner here by just clicking on that settings and then click on delete custom partner. Then I can do the post-back configuration, but currently we have no post-back configuration for this one. We can add a new post-back configuration by just clicking on add new post-back. Then we can select an event. Maybe it's add to cart, is it a click, whatever it is, maybe it's a click. And then we can add the URL here, the link, and then we click on save. So we are going to close that without adding that link. So that's how you add that. So for the links here, this way you can also create links. So you click on links. You notice we don't have any created links here. So you can click on create add link. And this is available once you have the paid version. So we cannot access this with a free version. But once you have added your payment method, you click on add credit card here, and then you'll be able to add links. So for the emails here, you can integrate with your ESP to create email to app experiences that drive mobile users to engage and convert. And you notice here you can select your email service provider from all this. We have Oracle, we have SPLoan, we have all this down here. So you can select the one that you want to join to. So if, for instance, you want to add the insider, you simply click on insider and then you click on get started that way. And then you can sign up for universal email. You can either start with the self-serve platform, which is free, and then you click on that, or you can go for the enterprise one. But remember, you have to enter your billing information for you to continue with this one. Now for sources, that is for cross-channel analytics. This is where you can do the analytics for all your campaigns. For instance, you can analyze them in terms of clicks, in terms of installs, in terms of clicks to install, and in terms of opens, click to open, web session statistics, and purchases and revenues. For instance, if we have added a certain app here, we can then link it to our branch.io. Then we can see all these details about how many clicks were there, how many installs were there. An install attributed to this feature. Installs are the first app opened after downloading the app. And then we have the click to install, and that is the percentage of attributed installs divided by clicks. Basically installs with last attribution touch type. Finally, you can export your daily exports or data feeds here, and you can also export according to what you will set as your custom. So for instance, if we click on daily exports, you notice this is the daily for us today. We have the page view, we have the SMS sent, we have the branch CTA view, install, clicks, and all this. So we can export that for one day. If we click daily, we select which day do we want here, and then we click here on download all. But we can also select and download individuals. For instance, we only want clicks. We are going to come here and click on download so that we only download the clicks for our app. You are able to do cross-channel analytics and compare different campaigns for your apps. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.